When you remove the Indian Scout seat, sometimes the rubber grommet comes off of the seat and stays on the stud and tears it up. There's a very easy fix for this problem. You need to remove the stub that holds the front of the seat. Now insert the stub into a hand drill and we're going to file down the edge slightly. Use a fine file and then use sandpaper to clean it up when you're finished. Take a little bit off at a time and try it to see if the seat goes on and off easily. Repeat these steps until you got a good fit. The rubber grommet gets torn up. You can buy a new one for about $6 from your local dealer.